欢迎来到 CR 职场炼金术。跨国会议总是怕怕的，25句跨国会议金句，让你一次满足。
Let's get started. Let's get started. Thanks everyone for joining. Thanks everyone for joining. Shall we begin? Shall we begin? Let's start today's meeting. Let's start today's meeting. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to talk about. Today we're going to talk about. The main topic today is. The main topic today is. We have a few things to cover today. We have a few things to cover today. Let's go over today's agenda. Let's go over today's agenda. First, let's talk about. First, let's talk about. Any thoughts on this? Any thoughts on this? Does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions? I'd like to hear your thoughts. I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Let's hear from the team. Let's hear from the team. Just to clarify. Just to clarify. Let me make sure I understand. Let me make sure I understand. So what you're saying is. So what you're saying is. Let's summarize this part. Let's summarize this part. Does that sound right? Does that sound right? Let's wrap things up. Let's wrap things up. That's all for today. That's all for today. Thanks everyone for your time. Thanks everyone for your time. We'll follow up by email. We'll follow up by email. See you at the next meeting. See you at the next meeting.